I am Otaner. Welcome to a brand new video of NextStock. I hope you're doing well. It's been 3 weeks since the last video, so it's time for an update. If you're new to NextStock, welcome also to you. Here what we are doing is we are going over stocks, give it a little bit of a market update in around 10 minutes or less than that. We start with highlights of companies that recently reported, followed by regular reporting for US and Canada, where we dive into the different categories that we are following, such as the value stocks, dividend ones, growth, and the attractive and the pricey ones according to the NextStock formulas. So let's start. We start with the highlights. Analog devices showed a 25% growth, and our price target was increased for them to $222, but they're trading higher than that. Broadcom reported 22% growth. Our price target was increased to $242, yet they're trading higher than that at the moment. Bilibili reported 21% growth, and our price target was increased to $26, and there is an upside for Bilibili. Salesforce reported 10% growth, but our price target has been lowered to $284 for them, but there is an upside still for Salesforce. Alright, let's look at some other companies that recently reported. So CrowdStrike reported 21% growth, and our price target was also increased to $373, yet they are trading higher than that. And of course, Nvidia, the market leader, have reported 56% growth. Our price target also improved to $138, but they are trading higher than that, mainly because of their high price to sale ratio. Snowflake reported a 32% growth, and our price target was increased to $198. Xpeng finally is the one reporting fantastic 128% growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $27.40, and there's an upside for Xpeng. Alright, so those were the highlights for this time around. If you're curious about other companies' price targets, you can check out my website, NextStock.ca. You have 30-day free access to search for companies that we are following and see the price target we have for them. You can also compare companies with each other. Many companies actually, you can put them into a list. And from that comparison, NextStock will suggest which one is better, which one is worse. You can also have top 10 list, because in this video we do top 3s, but there you can see top 10 for each market and category. And finally, we have portfolios. So portfolios ranging from 1 stock all the way up to 25 stocks as well, and different values as well. So check it out. Alright, let's go into the regular reporting. We start with the US and we start with the value stocks there, and the top 3 at the moment are ExxonMobil, followed by Bank of America and United Health. Of course, in value stocks we are looking at high market cap companies with low price to earnings. These companies give stability for you to consider in your portfolio. Dividend could be good in your portfolio as well, since it gives cash back. So Unibanco is a newcomer on spot number 1. Pfizer drops down to spot number 2, and Verizon as well goes down to spot number 3. Ford, who was in the list, is out from top 3. If you're only curious about growth, well, Xpeng is the number 1. AppLovin is number 2, and Amphenol is a newcomer on spot number 3 with 57% growth. Nvidia, who was in the list, is just out from the top 3 following the report. Attractive ones, here we are using the NextStock formulas, comparing sales growth with stock price trends, and also comparing price to sale ratios. When all that is put together and calculated, Charter comes up top, followed by Elevance Health, and Pfizer is on spot number 3. C3AI, who was in the list, is out from top 3. The pricey one is kind of reversed, and here the NextStock suggests that Unity is the top pricey one at the moment, Jumia Technologies, and NIO is on spot number 3. Nvidia, Broadcom, and Arista was in the list, but they are now out from the top 3. Alright, that's the US market. Let's dive into the Canadian market, and we go into the value stocks there. Top 3 at the moment, Royal Bank, TD Bank, and then we have Newmont in spot number 3. Bank of Montreal just drops out from top 3. If you look at the dividend in the Canadian market, so there we have TELUS, we have Whitecap Resources, and Bell. And when we look at just growth in the Canadian market, Endeavour Mining, Wheaton Precious Metal, and Lundin Gold makes up the top 3, and that's unchanged since last report. In the attractive ones for the Canadian market, we have some changes. Teck Resources remains on spot number 1, so does Whitecap Resources on spot number 2, but CGI is the newcomer on spot number 3. Capstone Copper drops out from top 3. In the pricey category, the final category that we are following, Curated is the number 1 pricey in Canada. Celestica is the newcomer on spot number 2. Like in their case, the stock price has gone up 330% over the last year. Franco-Nevada is on newcomer also on spot 3, number 3, because of their price to sale ratio being high as 25. BRP and Bombardier, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Alright, a lot of numbers and everything, but now the report is completed. So if you like those videos, please like and subscribe, and hopefully next one comes out in 3 weeks time. Meanwhile, you can follow me on the socials like Instagram, X or Blue Sky. Of course, check out our website NextStock.ca. And always gather a lot of information before considering purchasing stocks. Alright, until next time, bye bye.